Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create multiple users in Salesforce. And creating a single user one at a time is just way too long. Luckily, Salesforce have a feature built in that helps you to create multiple users at one time. So let's move to our developer account and discuss how to create multiple users in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly click on the gear icon and click on the setup option. Now enter the users in the quick find box and select the users and it will redirect us to the users page, and here we can see a lots of users are already created under this all users page. For creating the single user, click on the new user button, but this time we want to create the multiple user. So we click on the add multiple user button, and now we move to our add multiple users page. Now scroll to the bottom, and here we can see there is a user license present. Now select the user license. Now select the license type, and we click on the drop down arrow, and here we select the Salesforce platform, and here you can see the option to create a multiple user, and here we can see only two users are shown when we click on the Salesforce platform like license, and we create only two users here. If we change the user license to the chatter free, and here we go, we can see we can create 10 user at a single time. Here we can easily create 10 user by just putting in here the first name, last name, email, profile and roles. So create a couple of user. So we switch back to our Salesforce platform. So we click on the drop down arrow and select the Salesforce platform license. So now let's create a couple of user. So enter the user name. So first enter the first name and then enter the last name and then enter the email address and then choose the profile as a standard platform user, then select the role, and here we are selecting the role as SVP sales and marketing, and then we create the new user, second user, and give the name as first name as Lisa, last name as Dio, and then give the email address and then select the profile as a standard platform user and then select the role as this, and then hit the checkbox generate password and notify user via email, and then click on the save button, and here we go, we come back to our all user page again, and under this page we can see our two new user are created successfully and present under the all user, and we also get the email notification on the mail that you have entered. So we go to our Gmail, and here we can see the Gmail is sent to us by the support@salesforce.com. This is a welcome Gmail, welcome to the Salesforce. So click below to verify your account by simply clicking on the verify account button. So we click on the verify account and it will redirect us to the ready for a new password. So reset the password by simply clicking on this reset password button. Here you can change your password. Enter a new password for this Gmail. Make sure this include at least 8 character, 1 letter, 1 number. So enter the new password and then confirm the new password. Now select the security question in what city where you born, enter the city name and then hit the change password button and then save the password that you are updated. And here we comes to our lightning experience. Welcome to the lightning experience. So with this we have learned how to create multiple user in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.